my name is Rose. Jobs at night. You sleep at night, but some people do jobs at night. Many doctors and nurses work at night. Some stores and factories are open at night, so people have to work there. In the day, people buy lots of food from stores. At night, stores workers put more food in the stores. This way, workers are working on train track. They work at night because there are no trains. It's too busy in the day. Cities are busy at night. People go out to meet friends or to see a movie. When they go home, they can take a taxi. Taxi drivers are busy at night. Thank you.